So last night I'm getting the drill press ready for a project that I was worked on this morning, and I realized that I had left my 3-in-1 oil over here, which I only use when I'm drilling metal, to be quite honest, because well, that's what it's for. But I always have it stored over on where my paint is. I've just got a little plastic container I made over there, and I put over there, and then when I need it, I'll bring it over here and use it, and then take it back. And I got to think, well, that's just kind of silly. I mean, 99% of the time I use it right here. So let's store it right here. So I got to looking around where I could put it. Now I have a drawer down below that I could put it in, but I might want to put other things in there. Plus I want it kind of standing up so that it doesn't leak. And I got to looking around, and I think I can actually mount it up here. Maybe not right there, but probably over here. All I need to do is make another box to put it in, and I can double stick tape that to the side of the column here. And then we'll be done. And then that way it'll always be here. And whenever I need it, I can use it. And I've got a handy pocket to put it back in there. So let's go make that. So here we are in Maker World, and there is a project that I like called Customizable Parametric Boxes and Bins by Topster093. So this is an SCAD customizer that lets you basically design your own models. So you can open up one he has there, or just click the customize button and it will open the SCAD model and allow you to create your own. So here is the default. It just shows you that you can have a box of any shape with dividers and stuff like that. We don't need any of that. So I've got the dimensions for my bottle of oil, and the width is 55, so I'm going to make mine 60. And as you go through this, it will tell you, hey, you changed something, you need to regenerate it, which it doesn't do it automatically, so you have to go and do it. My length is going to be 28 because my thickness is 23, so I'm just adding 5 mil to each of my measurements. So that's the shape of the box I want. Now let me go get rid of my separator. So I'm going to max that to 0 and put that one to 0. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a box height of 55. So the height of the bottle without the tip is 105 mil. I'm just going to go 55, which is a little bit over halfway. Okay, so that is my box. So all I have to do is push this over to Bamboo Studio. Now, I have learned with this one, when you download it, and I have an A1, you click the download confirm, you can either do a 3MF or an STL. As it says, if you do a 3MF, you get colors. This has colors. We don't want those colors. We want it all one. So download the STL, create a new project within Bamboo Studio, and just import the STL. And then print it out, and that is it. But this is all it took for me to design this box. Like I said, this is one of my favorite generators. I have generated hundreds of boxes, it seems like, with dividers and everything. And here we go. Look at that. It's so cute. Anyway, this little box, it's just made out of Overture matte PLA. It's in a tan, light brown, whatever color that is. Fits in there just perfect, as you can see. Plenty of space. And then what I'll do is I will stick that over here using 3M double stick tape, and then that should give me enough room to store it and pull it out successfully, and that'll be the place to go. So let's put on our tape and see if we can make that happen. Okay, double stick tape is there. I'm just going to put it on the very bottom of the tool head here. Kind of line it up. Put it in place. Hopefully this is enough to keep it there. Okay, let's try it out. Goes in, comes out. Goes in, comes out. So super simple project. I know you probably get tired of seeing these things, but this makes anything like this just makes my life a little bit easier, and that's what my whole shop is about. It's just making life easier. So that'll stay there, and I'll keep looking around for other things to do in the shop. Thanks for watching.